Alright, today's August 4th, 2018, and we put the frame in the shop today. Getting ready to put it back together. I got my first load in of parts. The rest of the stuff should be in about a week or so. So we've got upper lower ball joints, sway bar link, bushings. We've got a front end bolt kit. It's for the AM washers and all kinds of stuff, lowers. And what else? We've got some stainless steel brake and gas lines, front to back. We've got the rear trailer arm bushings, banana bar bushings. Got some e-brake cable stuff. Rear stainless line for the disc brake kit. And some e-brake rollers. Picked up some repump fender skirts. And in about a week, the disc brake kit will be coming in.